Good morning, UND. Looking outside, we got clear skies this morning, and that caused our temperature really to plummet overnight. We are now 19 below zero. That dense Arctic high bringing us a higher pressure than the 2992 average. West-northwest wind of 8 really has settled down since our ground blizzard conditions yesterday across the region. And you can see this cold air really still bottled up in Canada, so the worst is yet to come. So these wind chills are very dangerous this morning with that wind knocking down the temperature another 10 to 15 degrees with the feels like calculated in. And that is why the Weather Service has issued a wind chill warning here from Minot, Grand Forks, Fargo, Bismarck. This is for wind chill values down to 55 below zero. An advisory surrounds this out into Minnesota, South Dakota, and southwest of the Missouri. Wind chills in that region will vary from 35 to 40 below tonight into tomorrow morning. And this Arctic high here over the central United States is pushing its way south here, making it down into Texas and into southern Illinois and Indiana. And that lines up perfectly with a massive storm system here centered over Oklahoma City currently, bringing a large amount of precipitation, rain down to the deep south, but an ice storm here through the middle part of the Mississippi Valley with snow to the north from Kansas City up through Chicago. But for our area, that Arctic high is keeping us nice and clear. So again, we got a wind chill warning here for tonight into tomorrow morning. Near record cold tonight is expected across the northern Red River Valley, with light snow possible Thursday night, but nothing major is expected. So futurecast here, that Arctic high continuing to push down to the southeast. That is going to cause temperatures to bottom out tonight as we expect clear skies as it passes overhead. That storm system well off to our southeast, but you can start to see the next storm system for us push through the region. We're not really expecting a whole lot with it. A little bit of gusty wind and some very light snow sometime after the evening commute tomorrow. And behind that, yet another high pressure system bringing in a little bit of cooler air. And for tomorrow, or for today, -6 for a high. It's going to be cold, clear skies. That wind, though, much lower than yesterday. That'll make being outside a little bit nicer for snow removal. For tonight, our record is 36 below zero, so we're going to be very close to breaking that record. And with the clear skies, that'll help us cool out in those calm winds only out of the northwest at 5 miles an hour. Tomorrow, we warm up to a -2 with mostly sunny skies. We got some evening flurries again after the evening commute, but only expecting maybe a half inch at most. Winds will be increasing through the day, so luckily our wind chill values won't be as bad in the morning because the gusts won't arrive till more the late afternoon into the evening hour. The cold air here centered over the state of Minnesota. Warmer air pushing into southwest of the Missouri River here. 30 down in Rapid City, but those negatives hang with us here in the Red River Valley. In the 7-day forecast, we don't get above zero here in Grand Forks till the weekend, but then we introduce a chance of snow. Nothing major expected at this time, but we'll keep an eye on it. And a general warming trend is expected through next week.